The Indian Air Force, IAF, is considering an open tender for its ambitious multi-role fighter aircraft, MRFA, program. Competitors like Dassault with the Rafale and the Eurofighter Typhoon are offering similar technology transfer packages. There is a competition among Gripen, F-15X, Rafale, Boeing's F/A-18E/F, Eurofighter, Typhoon. All jets companies are offering with technology transfer package. We have to wait which company wins the tender. Meanwhile, Saab has announced its commitment to deliver the first Gripen fighter jet within 36 months under Make in India initiatives. Let us see the detailed information. Please subscribe. It provides energy to bring more contents. The Indian Air Force, IAF, is considering an open tender for its ambitious multi-role fighter aircraft, MRFA, program, which aims to procure 114 advanced fighter jets. In a significant departure from earlier plans, the IAF is pushing for a high production rate within India, aiming for 24 aircraft per year instead of the previously suggested rate of 10 to 14 units annually. This proposed increase in production rate could lead to additional costs for the Ministry of Defence, as a larger-scale manufacturing setup will be necessary to meet the new output requirements. The IAF's demand for a higher production rate reflects its urgency to quickly bolster its combat capabilities, addressing current operational demands and strengthening defenses across multiple fronts. By accelerating production to 24 jets annually. Other side, Saab has announced its commitment to deliver the first Gripen fighter jet within 36 months, as part of the Indian government's initiative to acquire 114 multi-role fighter aircraft, MRFA. Sources within the Asian defense community indicate that Saab's competitive offer is designed to align closely with India's Make in India initiative, fostering local manufacturing and expertise. Saab's offer is a commitment to a 100% transfer of technology, which would enable Indian companies to acquire critical skills in the design, development, and production of modern fighter jets. Saab plans to manufacture 96 of the 114 jets in India and intends to provide training for Indian engineers and pilots in Sweden. Additionally, the company aims to establish a network of simulators and training facilities within India. Lockheed Martin has introduced a tailored version of the F-16, dubbed the F-21, specifically designed to meet India's unique requirements. The company emphasizes extensive involvement from local manufacturers and aims to build industrial capacity in India, including production lines for components and systems. Furthermore, competitors like Dassault with the Rafale and the Eurofighter Typhoon are offering similar technology transfer packages. However, their proposals appear less specific compared to those from Saab and Boeing. Mats Palmberg, Vice President of Saab and head of the Gripen India campaign, highlights Saab's successful experience in Brazil, where the company effectively transferred technology and trained over 200 Brazilian specialists, demonstrating how they can replicate this model in India. Our proposal is future-proof and the best choice for an independent and self-reliant India, Palmberg added, noting that Saab intends to involve numerous Indian companies in the production process, resulting in the creation of high-skilled jobs and long-term industrial relationships. On the Indian side, there is a strong interest in local Gripen production. Policymakers and military officials emphasize the need to bolster domestic capabilities in defense systems manufacturing. One leading Indian defense expert remarked, "The Make in India initiative is not just a policy but a cornerstone of our national security."
Producing modern fighter jets on Indian soil will enhance our military capability and boost the national economy. The Gripen's ability to operate from shorter runways, including roads, further enhances the operational flexibility of the Indian Air Force. However, the Gripen also faces challenges in a competitive environment. One of the primary drawbacks is its armament capacity compared to larger, more powerful fighters like the F-15X and Rafale. Generally, the Gripen carries less ordnance and has a lower maximum payload, potentially placing it at a disadvantage in large-scale operations. Moreover, while the Gripen excels in flexibility and operating costs, other contenders, such as Boeing's F/A-18E/F Super Hornet, provide greater range and multi-role operational capabilities, which may be decisive in various combat scenarios. These factors intensify the competition within the MRFA program and will shape the balance of power among the participants as India navigates its future defense landscape.